Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KUXIU Professional Smartphone Video Light Kit for video conferences, recording YouTube vlogs, and with mini tripod, smartphone holder, extension pole, and here you can see suction cup. Ooh, this is an adjustable color and temperature and brightness level appliance which you can use for video logs, for conferences, Skype, etc. No problem with that. That's really awesome. Awesome for home office. For only video conference at home or on the go, we always need a light to illuminate us. We can make our face clear and bright, even in a dark environment. Person at the other end of the video can clearly see our smile. The brightness and the color temperature of the light can be easily adjusted through the knob on the right side on the LED device appliance. That's really awesome and easy. Long press switches on or off, and then short press switch between brightness and color temperature level. Then rotate the knob to adjust it. That's really easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. The LCD screen on the left can directly see the value and remaining power. The video communication lightning list includes mini tripod, smartphone holder, extension pole, suction cap, and light diffuser. This is a really big set, and it is made out of reliability materials. I can touch it and I can feel it. It's really nice. It can be assembled according to actual needs, suitable for a variety of scenarios, and has a wide range of applications. There is an internal rechargeable lithium battery in the LED light, which can store 2000 mAh of electricity. If the battery is exhausted during video conference, it can be charged via lightning. That's awesome. By using USB-C cable. It's a small light and it's portable. All shell adopts ABS polymer structure materials, which has a high strength and a good toughness. The surface is smooth and has a matte texture. The suction cup uses nanomaterials to make it stronger absorptions. Yeah, it's really awesome. And this is the KUXIU Function Light Kit CRI 95 Plus from 2800K to 8500K for Kelvin. It's an extendable tripod, a strong suction cup, a 360 rotation ball head, and a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery for video conference for your set. You can use it where you like. There are multiple components in this lightning kit which can be assembled according to the user occasion easily. The mini tripod allows the LED light to stand steady, stable, and nice on the desk. If we need to increase the height, we can install the extension pole to adjust the height. If we need lighting when using a smartphone, we can install the smartphone holder together. The tripod can be held in our hand as a selfie stick too. Even when camping in the wild, it can be used for temporary lighting. The powerful vacuum suction cup allows the lightning to be attached on to our laptop, tablet, desktop, etc. Its adjustable pitch angle is 270 degrees and 360 degrees gimbal steering. The suction cup angle can be adjusted according to the actual needs too. The shell is made out of ABS polymer materials to make it more sturdy. Under the maximum brightness of 8500 Kelvin, it can last for 2 hours. No worry if there's no power supply when we go out into the wild. We can use it on so many multiple applications. When using the suction cup, we can dip a little water to make the suction cup stronger. Or if it is there's dirt on it, then you can wash up it with water too to reactivate this suction cup again. Of course, we have to fix the suction cup on any flat or smooth surface and do not place it on uneven places. Otherwise, the suction cup will easily drop. But it's normal for a suction cup. This is physical. Because the suction cup is firmly attached to our laptop, please be gentle when moving. First, open the suction valve gently. Lift a corner of the suction cup and then slowly tear it off. Tighten the knob of each joint after adjusting the angles. If the light is dazzling, then we have to put it on a diffuser which is in the box for a better and smoother LED light. You will get KUXIU LED light, a mini tripod, a suction cup, a removable extension pole, a removable diffuser, a smartphone holder, and of course a Type-C cable with 11.8 inches. The bulb's quantity is 36, 18 warm lights and 18 cold white lights. CIR is more than 95. The brightness adjustment range is from 0 to 100%. The application's battery is 3.7 voltage powered with 2000 mAh. The power inside the system is 4 watt. The color temperature comes from 2800 K to 8500 K, and the charging type is a Type-C. It supports 5 volt 1 ampere charging. The charging time is approximately 160 minutes, and the average lifetime is 120 minutes at 8500 K with 100% of brightness. The weight is 0.2 pound. The size is 2.5 inches to 2.5 inches to 0.9 inches. The suction cup's material is ABS. The maximum load is 1.1 pound. Take care of that. The mini tripod had a ball head, 360 rotation, and the materials here are ABS 2. And we have a removable extension pole. The size is 3.15 inches up to 6.1 inches. In this is the material aluminium. It's a really good set to make awesome video productions and of course to make a good and professional home video recording. Yeah, that's awesome. Brighter, clearer, more formal. Multiple assembly to cope with multiple situations. We can handle this. We have an easy set brightness and color temperature with one button. And capacity of 2000 mAh, working for 2 hours at maximum brightness. Yeah, and it's possible lightning while charging. The total height is 36.5 centimeters. Yeah, that's awesome, really. And it is possible to host your iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, no problem for it. And of course, you can also dock onto it with an GoPro adapter or a DSLR adapter, no problem, because there is a standard dimensions on it to dock on the tripod. This is the KUXIU Professional Smartphone Video Light Kit for video conference recording or YouTube vlogging with mini tripod, smartphone holder, extension pole, suction cup, adjustable color and temperature and brightness level, and this is really awesome and it will gain my video production here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.